What is he up to again? Sammy, that naughty slime. Sammy, what's going on? Why all of that noise? Sammy, that's enough. I'm trying to read.
Susie, Snowy likes music so much, I decided to play for her. When I grow up, I'll buy a big house and make a whole music room in it.
Huh. That's actually a great idea.
Oh, Susan, will you buy me a big house?
No, Sammy, I've got a better idea. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna craft something very unusual. Sam wants to be more independent, so I've decided to make him a gift.
So I just want to do something I love.
I see. You mean making chaos and noise in our house?
We'll see what you think when I become a famous musician.
Oh, you're a long way from being famous with that kind of skill.
That's because you won't let me practice.
Fine, Sammy. I'm gonna tell you my secret. I'm making a music room for your practicing.
Really? Now I can be as noisy as I want.
Yes, and I can calmly read my book. Our room will have 2 levels. Let's add a small staircase to make it easier to go up. We'll set a piano here.
Oh, such beautiful pictures. And what a view.
Everything for your inspiration. Let's assemble a bookshelf. Sammy likes to read so much. Here's a cute bookshelf we made.
I like it when there's lots of pictures and the print is large.
Sammy, you're so funny.
Susie, I think curtains are missing.
Oh, right. I totally forgot about that. Let's fix this. Fan fold a piece of fabric this way. Then wrap it with another strip. Air. Now, unfold the piece. Great! And here's the second one.
Shoo! You can use this to fix the curtains.
Oh, right, Sam. Carefully string the curtain on. It's coming out nice, right? Oh, I love it. Let's prepare the place for the curtain. Glue these 2 pieces on the side and carefully attach the curtain. The finishing touch. It's time to set the lights in our room. We'll have beautiful lamps like this. Insert the wires into this opening and fix the lamp. Here, it's time to make the main element of the room. Guys, did you guess what it is? It's a piano for our Sam! Carefully.
Sue, I decided to help you. I made the keys for my piano.
Oh, just in time, Sammy. I have everything ready. And here's the keyboard cover. Don't forget about another important part, the lid. Like this. Let's glue the legs. Perfect. Our white piano is ready.
Let me make it a little cozier. There. Done.
And now another important thing. No, it's not another musical instrument as you may think. It's a bed. Let's glue the bedposts. This bed is kinda royal. Just the right thing for our brilliant Sam. Huh? Sammy, enough sleeping. You'd better help and give me the mattress.
I just laid down for 5 minutes.
There, that's better. A bed like this needs a beautiful blanket. Oh, and a couple of lacy cushions.
Here, Sue. I'm capable not only of sleeping, but building furniture as well.
Let's add a soft rug and cute slippers. It's time to assemble the sofa. Apply some glue to the back. And attach the base to it.
Nice! I spoke with Snowy. She can't wait to come and visit me.
Oh, no way, Sammy. No hamsters in our room, okay? Snowy will just turn everything upside down in here.
But chill!
You cannot change my mind. There are just too many details here. I'm just against this idea. Let's glue the handrail. Cool.
Sue! Check out the table I made!
Awesome! We'll place it here.
Sue, don't you think a wall's missing here?
Huh, you're right.
I'm gonna make it.
Well, in the meantime, I made this floor lamp. Let's put it next to the sofa. Great. Huh? I think I heard someone meowing. Oh, what a lovely kitty!
Here is the wall as promised. I think we made a cool room. Do you agree?
Guys, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked our room. Bye-bye!
Susie's finally gone. It's time for some fun. Alrighty. Snowy, I invite you to my music room. Come on out, hurry. Shh. Be quiet. Not a word to Sue about this. Well, where are you going? No, the room is that way. Oh, Snowy. Finally, you arrived. Come on in. Make yourself at home. What did you find there? No, that's not a burrow. Oh. Look, she's sleeping so sweetly. Hey, where are you headed? Where is she? We can't let Sue find out. Snowy! Uh-oh. Phew. Are you hiding there all the time? Oh, you want to play piano now? Oopsie, Snowy! Hey, that's not edible. I guess he was right. My music room is too small for our Snowy. Hey, where are you going? No, wait!
Huh. It's strangely quiet. I wonder where Sam is. I'll go find him. Oh! Sammy! What happened to our room?
Susie! It wasn't me, I swear.
Fess up right now, Slime Sam.
Fine. I invited Snowy. It turns out she's not the best guest.
Uh-huh, I told you. So who's gonna fix it now?
Well, I thought you'd help me.
Sammy!
Okay, I'll do it. Well, okay. I just go here and some glue. Done. Easy peasy.
Good job, Sam. Wait, where's Snowy now?
Oopsie. I forgot to put her back in the cage.
What? Sammy, how could you? Hurry, let's find her.